What's up, guys? Today I'm doing a Trader Joe's pizza. And just like you, I like to watch people cook and I like to see how they do their recipes at their home. So if you like the same, you want to see how I cook my Trader Joe's pizza, check it out. Enjoy. You like the pizza?
Yes, it's the best